You can see that LED is blinking with 500 millisecond delay, and this is the command we are using here. Here we defined the direction, then we gave it the initial state, that is low, and then we made the pin go high, and after half a second it will go low, and after half a second it will again go high. It will keep on repeating. So this will give us this result, that LED blinking. Simple as that. Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I will show you how you can blink an LED with an Arduino UNO. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Arduino UNO, easily available in the market, and this is a 5mm crystal type LED. So we are not going to use the on-board LED, we are going to use an external LED, so that will be more useful. Now as you can see, this LED has two pins, one longer, one shorter. For the longer pin, I name it as the power, and shorter is always the ground. Now the shorter pin is the ground pin, so you connect it to the ground of the Arduino UNO. You can use any ground pin. Now guys, for the power pin, you will need a safety resistor. It is always better to use a safety resistor, so this saves your LED from getting burned if the current exceeds the limit. So now the longer pin, that is the power pin, you connect it to the one end of the 220 ohm resistor like this. From the other end, you can connect it to any available digital input output pin. I'm going to use a pin number 7 like this. In this way, our LED is connected. So let me introduce you to the hardware as well. So guys, this is the hardware. This is the LED. See, it is connected to pin number 7, and this is the LED, and here it is a ground, and this is our Arduino UNO. So let's get to the programming. So let me also connect this to the computer. So it is now connected to the computer, and now we open our Arduino IDE. So guys, let me zoom in so we can do the code. So go to the file, new sketch. If it's not already the new sketch, just go to the file and click on new sketch. Now the new sketch has opened up like this. Before you do anything else, first of all, save your work, press Ctrl S. Okay, write the name Arduino LED blink. That is the name I wrote. You can write any name you want. Click save. Okay. Now guys, here you have two paths. Select the Arduino on whichever port it is connected. From here, tools, Arduino UNO board, and COM9 is my COM. Now guys, go here, and this is the one-time loop. In the void setup, write down pinMode. This command will define the direction. We are using pin number 7, and it is output. LED is always connected to an output pin. Like Arduino will send a signal, it will not receive a signal. Now initially, whenever the code runs, the LED must be off. So use this command, digitalWrite pin number 7 low. Low means the LED is off by default. Now guys, for blinking, we have to turn it on and off. Just put the main code here. Remove this comment if you want, or you can keep it. I remove it. Okay. Now we are going to write the state that whenever the forever loop starts, LED turns high. It turns on, and then after a delay of whatever you want, I set it to 50 milliseconds, it will turn low. Now copy this command, just copy this one, it is already low. We bring it back to the initial state, that is low, and now again it will stay low for 250 milliseconds. In this way, it will turn on and off after every 250 milliseconds, it will keep on repeating. So this was our one-time loop, and this is our forever loop. Now I will click on this upload button to send the code to the Arduino. See, it is compiling the sketch, done compiling, and now it's done uploading. So let me zoom out and let's get to the hardware. So guys, this is the LED. It is blinking, as you can see, as easily as that. Now let's change the delay and see, we can blink it faster. So I make it like 100. I make it 100. Now it should blink faster. I click on upload. Okay, the new code is being uploaded. Let's wait. Done compiling. Okay, done uploading. Let's zoom out and get back to the hardware. See that the blinking speed has increased. Now it's very fast. Now I make it very slow. Let me go back. You can play with the code. I will give you the code in the description. I make it like 500. Now I click on upload. Okay, the new code is being uploaded. Done compiling. Okay, done uploading. See, now it's a half a second delay. So simple as that, guys. So this is it, guys. So thank you very much for your time and patience. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment, So we'll see you in the next video.